announcing the winner of the XTC SOSV Carbon Capture Challenge. The 5 finalists presented yesterday, and today we'll hear from the judges who picked the winner. In case you're wondering, there's no cash prize for winning this challenge, but there is a lot of fame and glory, and let's hope down the road maybe some support from the IRA and VCs eager to get behind more carbon capture initiatives. There were more than 70 applications for the challenge, so the winner must be pretty special. Our host for the final word from the judges is Victoria Slivkov, who leads the Extreme Tech Challenge, a global platform showcasing innovative, purpose-driven startups addressing the UN's Sustainable Development Goals.
Hi, welcome to this session where we announce the winner of the Carbon Capture Innovation Challenge organized jointly by Extreme Tech Challenge and SOSV. It's wonderful to be here representing Extreme Tech Challenge, the world's largest ecosystem for startups building a better world. And this partnership with SOSV, our friends and colleagues there, is really to recognize outstanding startups innovating in the carbon removal and carbon capture, utilization, and storage innovation space. We were founded 10 years ago by 2 legendary VC investors, entrepreneurs and corporate executives, Young Sung and Bill Tai. And fast forward to today, we're the world's largest marketplace for innovation, attracting over 5,000 companies across over 120 countries participating. And this is really true to the partners that we've garnered over the course of past decade, which we showcase at now leading tech conferences across the world, including this one as the SOSV Climate Tech Summit. So it's really a testament to this community, and we really believe that it takes a village, in this particular village, to help identify the promising innovations that can advance, but also giving them all the resources to help unlock their potential. As we believe in the power of innovation, entrepreneurship, meaningful capital, and community to unlock the keys to a better world. So before we announce the winner, I'd like to turn to our judging panel for their thoughts and observations. I am so pleased to introduce Bill Tai, who is a co-founder of Extreme Tech Challenge, partner emeritus at CRV, and legendary early stage investors and entrepreneurs. Next, let's welcome Andrew Golek, principal at SOSV Hacks, and then Sophie Purdom, managing partner at Planeteer Capital and co-founder of Climate Tech VCs. So judges, jump in. What really struck out and stood out for you?
I was honored to see 5 great teams addressing really big markets with really a heck of a lot of ambition. I think, when I was a young entrepreneur, I don't know that I would have taken on the size of challenge that these teams are all facing at the moment. But it was just a great set of companies. Anyone else?
Appreciated that we saw a suite of different technology approaches and markets, right? From enhanced rock weathering through to various clever applications of point source capture, and a diversity of folks with different backgrounds, right? From folks kind of straight out of the lab, out of PhD programs, through to software entrepreneurs, kind of turned deep tech founders. Always nice to see that a diversity of perspectives can be brought to working on climate.
Yeah, I thought it was really exciting. If you about it, carbon capture is kind of in its infancy in terms of innovation. We've only really been thinking about it over the last 10 years or so, and I think we're starting to see some common themes in some of these companies looking at routes to turn carbon into valuable products, or just looking at addressing a CO2 supply shortage in the marketplace with just a direct capture solution and trying to take it to a point where it can be used into something useful. So I thought it was really exciting to see all these great technologies out there.
I'll jump in with one more point too, which is appreciated that there wasn't an over-reliance on regulatory tailwinds, right? We didn't hear that much about Inflation Reduction Act or kind of, 45Q voluntary carbon market boosts. Folks had a great understanding of their economics and also kind of what deployment realities are as well. So feels like this space is starting to grow up, and the founders definitely represented that.
commercial viability without subsidy is definitely a plus as the industry matures. So just to take everybody a quick review of the 5 companies that presented, make sure to check out the recording of the pitch session that occurred yesterday. 5 companies. Carbix is developing an advanced weathering technology designed to transform carbon dioxide into building materials. Second presenter, Carbonauten, is developing an industrial system designed to extract and store CO2 from the atmosphere. Third presenter, Sequestrate, is an operator of an accelerated weathering company intended to help decarbonize cement, lime, and steel production and reduce ocean acidification. Fourth presenter from Mantel, it's a developer of a carbon capture technology that's first liquid phase material that captures CO2 at tight temperatures to help reduce emissions and achieve a negative emission. And then our last presenter from Neocarbon is leveraging existing industrial cooling towers to capture carbon at scale. So virtual drum roll, I'm going to introduce Bill to announce the winner of the challenge. But of course, we're all really impressed by all the presenters, and they're working on various different innovations on carbon capture and storage. So over to Bill.
Yes, thanks, Victoria. Yeah, the scoring was actually quite close. And as I said, all of these companies are thinking at scale, and all of them have some proof of concept already and some backing. So again, really hard to pick just one company because I think all of these companies can contribute to a better planet for all of us and all of our kids. But with that said, pleased to announce that there is one winner of this contest at this time, and it is Mantel. So congratulations, Mantel. Cameron, if you want to come up on to the virtual stage.
Thank you so much, Bill. Thank you, judges. Really appreciate the vote of confidence.
So Cameron, tell us what are your next steps and how this community can help you. And a quickly one-liner, I try my best to introduce what you do.
Thank you, Victoria. So we're Mantel. We're developing the material solution to carbon capture. So using molten salts to capture CO2 from industrial heavy emitters and trying to do that at a price point that cuts the cost by half. We're a seed stage company, but we've made a lot of progress since our seed round, and we're out raising a Series A right now. We have a demonstration unit in procurement that we're raising to build, and we have commercial projects in design phase. And so we're looking for partners to help us get to scale. As Bill mentioned, the size of the problem is so big, and we have a long way to go to meet that problem, or to meet that need. We need all hands on deck to scale up these technologies.
Thank you so much. And I want to thank again our judges, Sophie, Andy, Bill, and our friends and colleagues at SOSV for this wonderful partnership. And also, stay tuned and check out our social and let us know where, we'll let you know where we're going to be in your town next. We'll be at Slush and COP28. Again, really wonderful to be building this community, and congratulations to Cameron and Team Mantel on this wonderful recognition. Thank you so much.
Thank you, everyone. Really appreciate it.
Congrats, Mantel.
Thank you.